I want to show you how to use the Immersive View in Zoom. Once you've launched your Zoom window and you have your student or other people in the Zoom meeting with you, go to the top right and you will see View. Click on that and click on Immersive. Several pictures will pop up with numbers, and the number represents the amount of people that you can have in that immersive view with you. You can have even as much as 25. Now it's just me, so this is what it would look like with one. But if you have a lot of students or people in your meetings, this is a lot of fun. To change it, just go to Change Immersive View and pick another one. We can be having class while we are in this room as well. Let's pick one more. Let's see. I like the fireside chat. That's really nice, especially now on Thanksgiving Day as I'm recording this. All right, so this is Immersive View. You can upload your own pictures as well. I am just going to stop the Immersive View now, so I just go back to View, click on Gallery, and stop. And now that is it. That is how you use Immersive View in Zoom.